Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how to record a Zoom meeting. So assuming I'm on this Zoom meeting currently and I'm the admin or the host of the meeting and I want to record the meeting, I can just come to the bottom here. You'll be able to see these three dots or more. You can click and you can be able to see record over here. If you can't seem to find the record button, you can always come over here to host tools. You can click and you'll be able to see it over here, record to computer, and you can just enable that and it's going to be added as well to this more feature. So you can just click on record. Alternatively, you can hit Shift Command R to record on Mac operating system. So once I click on this, you are muted, so it's going to unmute me to record audio. Okay, so we can unmute. So hello, this is just a recording of this meeting. I'm just recording it for recording purpose. Now you have the option to come over here and pause the recording, or you can stop the recording directly. So let's say I'm going to stop this recording at this moment. So you can just click on stop and recording will be converted to MP4 whenever you end the meeting. So let's say I end this meeting now. So to end, you come down here to end and then you can say end meeting. And now your recording is going to be converted automatically to MP4. And now you have your recording in MP4 that you can play anytime or you can transfer to anybody. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.